If you own a cat and a laptop, you know fully that the two don't mix at all. You constantly have to pull the cat away from your laptop or having to move your laptop to an entire different room at times. Well, thanks to designer Ryan Howe from LYCS, all of these cat owner issues can be resolved with a new cot table. The table features crannies and passageways, where your furry cat friend can happily roam stealthily. Designed for cats to explore and sleep in, the project follows a worldwide trend, that of sharing your home with pets. According to the designer, people who live with cats experience these two things. 1. Moving the cat away from your laptop is like a sentimental ritual of temporary farewell. 2. A properly sized hole is irresistible to cats. Their curiosity is greatly satisfied through repetitively exploring the unknown path behind that hole. The design of Cot Table is a fusion of these experiences, as well as a creative place where the interaction occurs. It is a table for us, and a paradise for cats, concludes Ryan Howe. I didn't think it was possible, but it's safe to say that your cat will love you even more after getting this table.